Hello guys, welcome to Daily Current Affairs series. Today we will see 14th March Current Affairs. Welcome to our channel Gear Up for Group 1 exam. Let us discuss the today's important current affairs. The first one, burqa ban. Before going to burqa, what we will call it as a burqa, or there are different types of dress wearing in Muslim culture. That's why types of females headgear, types of Muslim female headgear. That is, first one you can see the picture of hijab. That is, face is visible. It is only it cover with that cloth is covered only head part only. That face, eyes, nose, and mouth is also visible. When you see in the chador, it also looks like same, but forehead is covered with cloth. Next one, niqab. Niqab is like a only eyes is visible. That means from outside we can see the eyes of that person, that Muslim person only. Other mouth, nose, everything, forehead also covered with that cloth. That is niqab. In burqa, nothing will be visible. That is nothing we can see if whether this person is related to that, or this person is something like that. That's why Sri Lanka will soon ban the burqa or face veil, a cabinet minister said, as he announced the Rajapaksa administration latest policy decision impacting the minority Muslim community. It will impact the minority Muslim community. That is banning of this burqa or face veil. Here, the authorities would henceforth use the Prevention of Terrorism Law, that is PTA, Prevention of Terrorism Law, that human rights defenders have termed draconian, to deal with the religious extremism, with wide ranging powers to detain suspects for up to 2 years to de radicalize them. That is about burqa ban. Next one, Martian blueberries. Here, right side you can see the picture of Martian blueberries. That is, there is in recent research paper we can see the Martian blueberries. That is, in 2004 NASA's Mars exploration rover Opportunity found several small spheres on the planet, informally named them as a Martian blueberries. Here, Opportunity's spectrometers studied the mineralogy and noted that they were made of iron oxide compounds called hematites. They were made of iron oxide compounds like called hematites. This caused excitement, as the presence of hematites suggests that there was a water present on the Mars. That means if there is a hematitis, there is a presence of if there is a presence of hematitis, then it can suggest that there was a water present on Mars. Hematitis is known to form in the oxidizing environments only. That's why there is a excitement in this Martian blueberries. Next one, Joe people. Here, what is the contest, or why it is in news? Why? Because a Mizoram-based group representing the Joe indigenous people of India, Bangladesh, and Myanmar has petitioned President Ramnath Kovind and Prime Minister Narendra Modi to impose sanctions on military-ruled Myanmar. We know that last 1 month or 2 months back that Myanmar person has jailed. Now it is a unofficially military ruled Myanmar. Here there are 4 states, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, and Mizoram, share a 1643-kilometer border with Myanmar, and people on either side are ethically related. That's why these 4 states people are, that Joe indigenous people are representing to impose sanctions on the military ruled Myanmar from this President and Prime Minister of India. Next one, AT1 bonds, that is additional tier 1 bonds. Right side you can see the AMC, that is scheme name, IDBI mutual funds, DSP mutual funds, ICICI Prudential mutual funds, ICICI Prudential mutual funds. These are the types of mutual funds. Why it is in use? Why? Because the Securities and Exchange Board of India, that is capital regulator, has slapped restrictions on mutual fund investments in additional tier 1 bonds. Here, according to the SEBI capital regulator, these instruments could be riskier than other debt instruments. That's why there is a slapped restrictions on these type of mutual funds investments in AT1 bonds, that is additionally tier 1 bonds. Here the SEBI has probably made this decision after the Reserve Bank of India allowed a write-off of 8,400 crore on 81 bonds issued by S Bank Limited after it was rescued by State Bank of India. That's why it is in the context. With this we can conclude our video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Gear up for Group 1 exam.